Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Tactim channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm gonna show you how can you change sky color in Premiere Pro. So guys, to change sky color in Premiere Pro, you need to put an effect to it. So here you can see effects, click on effects and search for change color, change to color. As you can see, change to color, this effect, just drag it and drop it in the clip, and after dropping it in the clip, click on this pen tool icon, pen icon I guess, and just click on this sky, and as you can see the sky is changed. Now you can change the sky color, which color you want. Like if you click on this blue color, you can make it blue like this. As you can see, the sky is now blue, which was previously kinda browny. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you have find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tactim channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.